More Insider SAT Math Strategies by Darryl Hold, affordable-tutor.com, tutorpro88@gmail.com. And yes, I do have a phone number that I pick up. It's 770-324-0076. So in this segment, we're going to talk about function problems solved quickly and accurately, I might add. Let's look here. If f of x equals 2x plus 3, what is the value of f of 10? A is 2, B is 40, C is 6, D is 13, D is 13, and E is 23. This is an easy problem, what I call a one-stepper, and really the difference between difficult problems and hard problems are the number of steps. Substitute 10 for x, and the answer is 23. A basic knowledge of functions should make this an easy problem to solve. Now, we're going to go into something that I find occurs a lot in tutoring. The most frequent mistake with this kind of problem is to overthink it. I don't know if that's a word, but I'm making it a word. Now, here's my warning. It is usually the more gifted and diligent students who overthink these basic types of problems. A huge part of being an experienced SAT tutor is that I can quickly determine what type of mistake a student is likely to make. I help him or her correct it promptly. Now, there are unique patterns woven into the SAT math that I've carefully observed in over 12 years of tutoring. I'm giving you a sample here that I hope you will use, and it would mean a lot to me if you're able to use this and improve your score. Now, there are other patterns, more intricate, more secretive, if you will. They've taken me years to discover, and I only share these with my private classes and private clients, which is the right thing to do, because they've made a commitment, and I make one to them. I can also pinpoint which mistakes a certain type of learner is likely to make. So what does this have to do with the functions? A lot. I'm trying to help you pinpoint some general things that I've run across here. Let's try this function problem. F of x is equal to x squared plus 16. What is the lowest possible value for f of x? And here's your answer choices. A is 17. B is 16, C is 14, D is 10, and E is 0. Did you have your calculator ready? No? Good. Did you try plug and check? Better. Did you observe? Best. Best. Observe. If you carefully observed, then you would have noticed that the answer was not asking for the lowest value of x, but was instead looking for the lowest value of f of x. Since x was squared, the result had to be positive or 0. 0 is the smallest. Therefore, the answer had to be 16, letter C, since x squared is 0. Observe, observe, observe again. I'm Darryl Hold, affordable-tutor.com, tutorpro88@gmail.com, 770-324-0076. If you have any questions, contact me.